Until the upgrade for Adagio Inventory 9.3a, it was not possible to print listing reports for transactions entered but not yet posted. These reports are now available. There are 3 different places where transaction list reports can be printed. They can be found from either the Transactions menu and the respective Type submenu, from the Reports menu and the Transaction submenu, or from any transaction entry screen and the listing button. From an Enter Transaction screen, you can highlight either one row or multi-select a range of consecutive rows, and click the Listing button to pre-fill the starting and ending values for the reference field. Listing reports can be sorted by the transaction reference or the date, in either order, and ranges are available to restrict printing to certain transactions. You may optionally include a ledger transaction summary of all the selected records to print. The Receipt Listing Report has additional options for selecting receipts by the status, sorting or selecting receipts by vendor number or total receipt cost, and choosing whether additional costs and discounts on receipts are printed separately from items with the extended cost option, or if these costs and discounts are applied to each item cost value with the landed cost option. If multi-currency is enabled, the Receipt Listing Report can also be printed in either the source or home currency value. Transaction listings have all the common features with report printing, including favorite settings, using DocStore to save the report as a named report in a specified location, include in report sets, and use with automation. Ensure transaction entry is correct before posting by verifying the listing reports. Find out more about Adagio from the product page on our website. Watch another training video on this Adagio program from the playlist, or subscribe to the Adagio YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.